Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's 2 times 5 divided by 2 times 5. Generally, it is thought that 2 times 5 will be equal to 10. Divided by 2 times 5, it is also equal to 10. Hence, 10 divided by 10 will be equal to 1. But is it right? Is it correct? It is not correct because we have not followed the order of operation. So that's why it is wrong. Now, I will solve it by using order of operation. First of all, 2 times 5 will be equal to 10. Because we have to move from left to right. As multiplication is at left, so we have to multiply first. And divided by 2 finds 5. Now, again, we have to move from left to right. So at left, there is division, so we will divide first. And 10 divided by 2 will be equal to 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 will be equal to 25. Hence, 25 will be our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.